Hey there, this is Sava Zingis, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the basics of life insurance and the different types of life insurance available to you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. What are the types of life insurance policies? Well, really, there's three main types, and the first type is what we call term life insurance. Now, this is probably one of the most utilized policies or most popular type of policies because it'll help protect you from financial loss or your family having financial loss in the result of the death of the beneficiary or the policy owner. So the way it works is it's going to pay a face value or death benefit that you applied for a certain term, right? So these policies expire. You can sign up for 10, 15, 20, 25, 30-year term policies typically. The way it works is your premiums will not increase during the term, and they're useful for the limited time that you need them. So if you have, maybe a mortgage you need to protect, or you're very young and you have young family and kids and you want to make sure they can go to college if something happens, or you have some debt, from investing or whatever the case is, and you just want to make sure your family's protected if, God forbid, something tragic happens to the breadwinner of the family. Now, initially the premiums will stay low, and they are very low when you apply for them. That's why they're very popular. But at the end of the term, the rates will go up because now you're older, right? The second type is what we call permanent policies. Now, with permanent policies, there's two really distinctive types. There's whole life and universal life. So let's talk a little bit about whole life policy. This is a type of permanent insurance, and it's going to combine the life insurance coverage with accumulation. So it has a cash value portion to it. So these policies will pay a stated fixed amount upon your death, and part of the premium will go towards building cash value, like a savings account that you can access from investments the insurance company makes or dividends they pay out to you, right? And the cash value builds tax deferred, and you can actually access this money through policy loans tax free. So you could utilize these policies for a lot of different, aspects: estate planning, final expenses. You could set it up as a college plan to help pay for tuition for your kids. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do with whole life policies, and they're very conservative, meaning they're going to usually pay out a guaranteed percentage towards your cash value accumulation. Now, what is the second type of permanent policy? We call these universal life. What is a universal? Well, it's also a permanent policy, but it's going to combine term insurance with a money market type of policy, so that can earn a return. These are great policies if you're really trying to build a lot of cash value, because you can get a higher return, but they don't guarantee a return like a whole life would. So the way it works is the money market or the cash value portion of your policy is going to be tied to an index, the S&P 500. Usually you get to choose, and as the market goes up and does well, you're going to get a portion of that credited to your account. Now, they build cash value very fast, but you have that risk portion because you're essentially investing in the stock market, right? These are great for retirement saving accumulation. So if you're interested in learning more about life insurance and what type of policy is right for you, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.